Hello friends, today we learn how to make a powerful balloon air pump at home. For making this project we need some components: feeding syringe, 2-cycle valve. First, we'll attach a bicycle valve to the top of a feeding syringe. Then, we'll make a small hole on the side of the syringe and insert a second valve there. That's it. Project is ready for your test. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.